What's up, guys? This is the Friend Connector portion of this training, and we're going to install this extension. I want you to note that there was two versions of Friend Connector. So this worked on the old Facebook, which is pretty much obsolete now. As of September, they're moving everyone to the new layout and UI. So we have pretty much migrated completely now to Friend Connector Pro. So this extension is still in the Chrome store. It might be taken down. If you're still using the old version of Facebook, you can still use this version. I'm going to put links to both below this video, but most likely you can just skip this one and use Friend Connector Pro. They're going to be the same process. So you can add to Chrome here and click Add Extension, and that will pop up right here. So you can see this is the old Friend Connector, and if we pin it, it pops right out. And basically you would just click it then, and once it's installed, you can just sign in and go to town on it. I'm going to remove this one and just use the Friend Connector Pro for this demo, since I'm on the updated Facebook. But just a quick note on that. If you are still using the old Facebook, Friend Connector, the original one, is the one you'll want to use for now. So, just some of these reviews here you can check out if you want to as well. You can see I started using this back in October of 2019. So this really helped me grow my business in the early stages. I was promoting Chirply and getting people who would use that software automatically connecting with me, and I would just post content on my page and all that good stuff. So let's go to the Friend Connector Pro version and get that added. It's going to be the same exact process. So you can see this one's relatively newer. We had 1,000+ users on the other version. People are slowly migrating over to this one, and I've already got this one installed, but it's the same functionality. Click Add to Chrome, and it will pop up here, and you will have a login screen when you first install the extension. I'm already logged in, and this is installed. So if you get this error screen, I'm going to cover that in the next video. So it just means you're in the wrong page. It's nothing you've done wrong. You just have to be in Facebook in either a friends list or a group members tab. So that's why this message is popping up. But I guess quickly, I'll just show you how to log in as well. So if I go to a Facebook group and to a members tab, now this is gone, right? This will be gone. So now it's the actual extension, and I can click here and log out. So this will be your default screen when you first sign up for Friend Connector. And you'll use the email and password you got when you registered. If you bought this as an upgrade to Genius Messenger Pro and you haven't got your account access yet, reach out to me at support@tryjohnson.com, or go to the troubleshooting and support lesson in the previous lesson, and I'll have a link to either email me or message me on Facebook right there. So I have to set this up if you bought this as an add-on. If you bought Friend Connector Pro directly, you should be good to go already. Your account will be set up automatically because I've automated that process with Zapier. But this will be your login screen, email, password. Once you get in, you're good to go, and we'll go from there. In the next video, I'm going to shoot a basic overview. Then we'll go into the message features, and then we'll go into some other features. Then in the next training after that, I'm going to cover some kind of pro hacks, different groups and keywords, and recommended things you might want to target in your marketing. So that being said, I'll see you on the basic overview video next.